Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung HD TV model and that firmware is up to date. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi network. 5 Mbps or higher keeps video smooth. Once connected, take your Samsung remote, press Home, open Apps, and search for YouTube. You choose the YouTube app icon and select Install or Open. This gets the app onto the TV so you can sign in and stream. It's the fastest path to playback. You should sign into YouTube either directly on the TV or by using the on-screen pairing code and your phone, signing in sync subscriptions and recommendations. Once signed in, set playback quality to Auto or Force 720p for consistent HD performance on older Samsung sets. Make sure to enable a Bluetooth remote or connect via SmartThings. This makes searching and controlling playback faster. Also clear cache in the app if playback stutters, because temporary data can cause lag. You finish by testing playback with a short video to confirm audio, video, and remote controls work. If you see buffering or crashes, restart the TV and router first. Once done, try reinstalling the YouTube app to remove corrupt files. If sign-in fails, verify your Google password and two-step prompts on your phone. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but make sure you've noted account credentials and Wi-Fi info because you'll need to restore them afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.